Going to the zoo.
Hey, Steve. My family and I want to do something fun this weekend. Do you have any suggestions?
The weather is going to be nice. You should do something outdoors.
Yeah, it's supposed to be sunny all weekend.
How about a picnic at the park?
We do that often. I want to do something more fun.
How about the city zoo? I heard that bear cubs were recently born there.
That's a good idea. We haven't been to the zoo in a long time.
Then you should definitely go this weekend.
The last time we were there, it started raining. None of the animals wanted to come out.
That must have been boring.
It was boring. The kids wanted to go home early.
The animals should be more visible since the weather is going to be sunny this weekend.
Yeah, I think we will go to the zoo. Hopefully this time it'll be more fun.
Actually, I have 4 tickets to the zoo. You can have them. Our family won't be able to go. The tickets expire this weekend.
Thanks, Steve. Let me pay you for them. Zoo tickets are expensive.
Don't worry about it. It's my gift to you since your last visit was not fun.
Are you sure? This is very generous of you.
Also, you mowed my lawn a few times after I had back surgery last year. I really appreciated that.
I'm glad we're neighbors.
Afternoon picnic.
Mom, can we have a picnic this afternoon?
Sure, Kathy. Where should we have it?
How about the lake?
That's a great idea.
What should we pack for lunch?
I can make ham sandwiches and potato salad.
Yummy! I love ham sandwiches and potato salad.
Tell your sisters about the picnic.
Okay, I think it is going to get hot later today.
That's good. It will be a good day for a swim in the lake.
I'll tell Cindy and Allison to wear their swimsuits.
Don't forget to pack your life jackets, too.
Okay, will Andy be joining us?
Of course your brother will be joining us. Where is he?
He's taking a nap on the couch.
Let's wake him up.
You can wake him up. I'll get my sisters.
Andy, wake up. We're going to the lake.
Bad hotel experience.
How was the hotel?
It was awful. We had to switch rooms a couple of times.
Why?
Well, we found bugs in the carpet in one room. We had already unpacked, so we had to repack everything and ask for another room.
What was wrong with the second room?
We paid for a garden room, and it was a view of the parking lot.
That's terrible. Did you finally get a good room?
They were out of garden view rooms, so they upgraded us to an ocean view room.
That's nice. So why was it so awful?
Our next-door neighbor snored so loudly, he kept us awake every night.
Did you ask for another room?
Yes, but they said that there were no more rooms available.
I'm sorry you had a terrible time.
That's okay. The manager was really nice about it. He offered us a free stay next time.
Are you going to go back there?
Of course. It'll be free.
Borrowing things from a friend.
Hello?
Mike, this is Dan. Do you have a lantern I can borrow?
I think so. I have to check.
Our lantern is broken.
What do you need a lantern for?
We are going camping this weekend.
We went camping last month.
How was the weather last month?
It was great. Sunny all weekend.
I think it's going to rain this weekend.
That's not good. Why are you going camping if it's going to rain?
The kids still want to go.
I'm sure you will still have fun.
I hope so. We're going to pack some extra clothes.
Let me check on that lantern.
Mike.
What's wrong, Dan?
Do you have a tent I can borrow?
Sure. Why?
I just discovered a hole in our tent.
Family camping.
Susan, what should we do this weekend?
I don't know. What would you like to do?
Should we take the kids camping?
That sounds like a fun plan.
Do you know what the weather forecast is for this weekend?
No, I have to check.
I think it's supposed to be sunny and clear.
That's perfect weather for camping.
We can go fishing, too.
The kids are going to love it.
Let's not tell them yet.
Why?
I need to make a reservation. There may not be space available.
Oh, yeah. We better think of another option just in case.
Yeah? How about going to the beach?
That would be fun, too.
Let me try to make a reservation for camping first.
Okay, here's the number.
Fishing with buddies.
Hey, Phil. I'm so glad it's Friday.
I agree, James. It was a stressful work week.
Have any plans this weekend?
Yeah, I'm going fishing with my buddies.
Lucky.
Do you want to join us?
I can't. I'm helping my brother move. He recently bought a house.
That's too bad. We're going to have beautiful weather, too.
I'm glad we're going to have good weather. I don't want to move boxes and furniture in the rain.
That's true. When are you going to be done?
I don't know. He has a lot of stuff. It could be all day.
Well, if you get done early, why don't you meet us at the lake?
Are you going out on a boat?
No, we're going to fish on the lakeshore. None of us have a boat.
My brother has a boat. I can ask him if we can borrow it sometime.
That would be awesome. Thanks.
Well, I'm going to head home now. I'm tired.
Yeah, me too. Call me this weekend if you get done early.
Fishing with Dad.
Dad, what are we doing this weekend?
I have a surprise for you, Timothy.
What is it?
Here, open it.
I think I know what it is.
Can you tell by the shape?
Yeah. Is it a fishing pole?
Well, open it up and find out.
It is. I love it. I've never gone fishing before.
Your grandfather and I used to go fishing when I was a child. Now I can take you.
I can't wait.
You also need a life jacket.
Why?
You should always wear a life jacket if you're going in a boat.
Okay, Dad.
Now, let's go to the fishing store and buy some bait.
What's bait?
Things that will attract the fish to the hook.
Like worms?
Exactly.
This is going to be so much fun.
Going fishing.
Billy, are you all packed?
No, Dad, I can't find my fishing pole.
Where did you see it last?
In the garage. I'll look again.
Okay. I'm almost unpacking too. I just need to load the tents into the car.
I found my fishing pole. It was behind the skis.
Good. What is your mom doing?
She is packing food and snacks into the ice chest.
Hopefully we will catch some fish to eat too.
Yeah. Dad, where is your fishing pole?
I forgot it. Thanks for reminding me.
Are we going to the same campsite?
No, I want to try a new place.
Cool. Can I bring my camera?
Of course, but be careful not to lose it.
I'll be careful. I want to take a lot of pictures.
Make sure to take pictures of our fish.
I hope we catch big ones. I love camping and fishing.
I love spending time as a family.
Going to the amusement park.
Hi, Sheila. Have you been to the new amusement park yet?
No. When did it open?
Last weekend.
Was it crowded?
It was very crowded. Parking is terrible, too.
Did you have fun?
Oh, yes. The roller coasters are really fun. My kids had a great time. It was even fun for the adults, too.
I didn't know it was open yet. I will have to take my son soon.
You should. They will love it.
Are the tickets expensive?
Yeah, they're pretty expensive, but your family will enjoy it.
Maybe we'll go this weekend. We don't have any plans on Saturday. My son has been asking about it.
If you go on Saturday, try to go early. There aren't enough parking spots. They need to add more.
Okay, that's good to know. Do you have any other tips?
The lines for the rides are very long, so be patient.
Okay, I assumed that. Now I have to convince my husband to go.
He doesn't like amusement parks?
No, I have motion sickness, so I can't ride any of the roller coasters. That means my husband has to ride all of them with our son.
Tell him to be prepared. There are a lot of roller coasters.
Going to the beach.
Carl, are you going to watch television all day?
No. Is there something you want to do?
It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. We should do something outdoors.
Okay. What should we do?
Let's go to the beach.
Okay. I'll grab the beach chairs and towels.
Great. I'll pack some snacks and drinks. Don't forget the sunscreen.
Where is it?
It's in the bathroom cabinet.
Is there anything else we need to bring?
I'll bring the camera. I want to take pictures of the sunset.
Good idea. The sunset is beautiful at the beach.
Do you remember the last time we went to the beach?
No, it's been a long time. Why don't we go more often?
Because you're always watching TV.
Okay, let's go to the beach when the weather is nice and watch TV when it rains.
That's a deal.